This is what I need drywall. This, and the drywall this. Don't worry about the ceiling. We're gonna drywall this ceiling. We're gonna fix this wall. We're gonna touch that wall. This wall and the hallway comes out. This is gonna be a bathroom. This needs green board. I'm not gonna bother the cupboards. This wall, this room needs drywall. The whole bathroom needs green board. Let me sure. The whole bathroom is gonna need green board. The tub and shower is gonna come out. The green board for the bathroom. Okay. Ceiling need done. This whole room need gutted and drywall. I'm not gonna gut this. I'm just gonna fix the existing drywall. Not even gonna touch the ceiling. I'm just gonna paint it. Fix the cover. That's it.